Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Today is Thursday, February 17th, and I am in my cleaning mode. I'm jamming out, I'm getting things done. It's been a great week. I'm just changing the linen here. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I recently looked at the channel and saw that I have like 20 subscribers. I'm like, okay. I really appreciate that, you guys, and was totally not expecting it. Um, I am figuring out all this YouTube stuff. I have had several copyright claims in the couple of cleaning videos that I've put out, and I'm trying to figure out the policy and how everything works with that and adding music to your videos. Hopefully YouTube doesn't flag me on this video for talking about it, but I really appreciate you guys just being patient with me. Like I said, I'm just trying to figure all that out. Editing is definitely challenging and fun, but it is something new to me. It's 2022, you guys. I'm trying to live my best life, learn new skills, learn new things, be a better person, just be a better version of me. And yeah, this is definitely a step that I am taking in that direction. I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I hope you guys have an amazing weekend coming up. Right here, I'm getting some organization done, which I absolutely love doing. Within the past couple years, I have definitely gone throughout each room in the house and just really gotten rid of extra things, extra stuff that we no longer use, no longer have a purpose for, and things that are just sitting around the house that don't need to be there. I definitely like a minimalistic look. When I do this, it gives me a huge peace of mind. I am much more productive in a clean space, much more creative. It really, like I said, brings me a peace of mind when things are clean and organized and I don't have a lot of stuff surrounding me. It's so crazy how dust collects so fast and easily. I showed you guys a picture here when I was 15 years old in Venice Beach, and there was a huge Colby mural painted on the wall. I remember it like yesterday, and I still to this day cannot believe that he's gone. Such a tragedy, and so crazy. Moving along to the bathroom here and just picking things up. The two big important areas in my house particularly are the bathrooms and the kitchen. For some reason, you guys, I cannot stand those two areas being dirty. I hate leaving dishes in the sink. I don't like, using the restroom when it's super dirty. Of course, it's going to get dirty, and it does. I definitely try to keep up with both of them because it is a pet peeve of mine. We do have several bathrooms in this house, and I do need to do a better job, especially keeping the restroom downstairs in the basement clean. We literally never go down in the basement. So, yeah. Another thing on my list that I definitely want to start doing is making my own cleaning supplies using, vinegar, baking soda. I definitely use those things in the shower and on tile, with a toothbrush, but being more economically friendly with my household cleaning supplies is definitely a goal of mine and something that I'm going to do better at. And I'm just going to give you guys a nice glimpse of everything nice and clean and sparkly and organized and shiny. And hey y'all, there's me. Hey girl, hey. the area that everybody hates cleaning. Doo-doo stains. The bathroom. Ah, yes. Here I am spraying it down with some bleach, letting those doo-doo stains soak so that they can easily be wiped off.
I'm so sorry, but can you give me another favor? I love you. Can you give me the vacuum, please? Oh, where's the paper towels? Oh, I found them. Closet downstairs. Huh? Yeah, and a plastic bag. Like a consumer bag.
Do you want me to take them off the bed? Or?
Yes, please.
And guys, I really hate using paper towels to clean anything with. I do try to be environmentally friendly. I prefer using a rag with some soapy water, but no, I am not putting my hand, regardless if I have a glove on, in no doo-doo infested particle water. Nah, nope.
You know what? I need more paper towels too. I love you. Thank you.
And let's talk about how unflattering these shorts really are. Hee hee. I call them my Big Mama shorts, and I'm totally okay with it. Don't come for me.
Thank you, baby. Thank you, my love. Did you bring that bag? To what?
You want it right now?
I'm sure.
Is that Clorox?
Huh?
Is that Clorox?
No, that's what next. I'm done with the Clorox. I tried to do it quick. Come on.
And I apologize for the camera cutting this part off, but I'm just cleaning off this toilet paper holder, getting all the pasties and everything off of it. Clean and shiny. Best of all, no more doo-doo stains.
Yeah?
Does anybody else do a sniff check on their linen, especially when it's like fresh out the dryer? I love that so much. I know, I'm crazy.
Caden's bed? That's Caden's bed, huh? That's Caden's big boy bed. Huh? Yeah, he's a big boy and he's gonna sleep in his bed. Put it in there. Good job, baby. You're so smart. Okay. Oh, we got one more. This one. Put it in there. Thank you, baby. All right. Oh, let's get these diapers in here. Huh? Hey. You're gonna knock it over.
We recently made a Sam's run
Is that right?
and had to go a size up on his diapers because when I tell you guys they were out of everything, I mean they were out of everything. It's crazy how like the world is now, and these supply chains. It's like you go to the store and there's nothing on the shelves.
Didn't we just organize those? This boy.
When I tell you guys this boy goes crazy over the vacuum, I mean crazy. He will stop whatever he is doing when he sees or hears the vacuum cleaner. It is so weird and cute and sometimes frustrating because when we turn it off, he will cry and cry until you turn that thing back on, I tell you.
Jesus.
What?
This thing keeps getting caught.
Well, much mama, that'd be great. Can you stand on it?
If you don't mind being, baby, be yourself. Who cares? Don't let. And I wish they would talk shit.
No, I'm talking
I-
about
Huh?
Take some shirts off.
Baby, stop. Okay, ready, mama? Okay, ready? Whoa. Backing you up or what? Whoa. See it? Whoa. Excuse me, baby. Excuse me, papa. You want to touch it? Whoa.
Look at it.
You want to touch it? Go ahead, buddy.
Really?
Good job. Okay. Let's go. You should protect that. Actually, busy with the road. Yeah. You want any more braids? Thank you.
Okay.
Come on, baby.
I'm the kind of person that likes to do everything at one time, and since having a child, I definitely know that I can't do that anymore. So it would be nice if I could just dedicate a full day and get the entire house clean, but I take my W's where I can. Alright guys, The Meltdown happens in 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys so much for watching. I definitely appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one.